Today I'm going to show you how to draw up and use your Pergoveris pen. This is a pre-filled pen with all of the medication that you require. You should have been supplied with a box of needles and a sharp spin to dispose of those needles. Take the cap off the pen and attach a needle onto the end. This is screwed on and pushed very gently. The next thing you need to do is look at the small window and turn the end until your dose appears in the window. For example, you are now going to be drawing up to a 250 dose of Pergoveris. This medication goes into your lower tummy, anywhere between your knicker line and your belly button, at a 90-degree angle. Safely take the cap off the end of your needle. Underneath is another safety cap, very gently remove. And now take the pen to your lower stomach, all the way in, and click the end of the pen. Hold the pen and the button down just for a couple of seconds, withdraw, and very gently now twist off that needle to put into your sharps box. Recap your pen, and that can be used for multiple doses for the next 2 or 3 days as directed by your doctor.